Hi, my name is Marco and I had a small accident that required major dental work. After researching the cost of work online in the United States and overseas, I decided to go with Smile Makeover in Mexico. Due to the very short period of time I was able to take from work, both surgeons, Dr. Gilberto and Dr. Marta, met with me right after I arrived and designed a dental program that was based on time and cost, not sacrificing the cosmetic aspect that I wanted, that perfect smile. The dental work took a period of 4 days in which both doctors performed surgeries well over 4 hours. Dr. Gilberto especially conducted his 4-hour surgery looking through a state-of-the-art microscopic machine that allows for precision drilling, since due to the accident I only had 3 roots to work with. He was able to create 3 abatements through root canals, eliminating the cost and pain of surgical implants. His professionalism and technique is far more superior than any doctor that I visited in the United States the past month. Dr. Marta performed the bridge and crown work, centering the smile perfectly, while providing me with crown choices because they have their own lab inside. The state-of-the-art facility allows for the patient to view what's going on while on surgery and at the same time picking the size, color, and type of cosmetic upgrade. Our work from surgery to cosmetic is done on site with the patient verifying everything. Yvonne and Janet complete the wonderful English-speaking staff and provide you with all the assistance, scheduling, payment plans, and transportation to and from the facility you need. If you need dental work that is over $10,000 in the United States, I highly recommend looking at this facility before you waste your money. My cost of the work performed was less than a third of the cost in the United States. I highly recommend this facility and its staff. You can look more at the work performed at this facility on Instagram and Facebook at Smile Makeover Playa del Carmen. I highly recommend this facility.